We are going to use a special vacuum tube for this experiment. Which has, as you see, a rather complicated electrode structure and a big blob of mercury inside. To study this electrode structure in detail, I have another tube which I've disassembled, and we will take a good close look at this. You see in the middle a little cylindrical cathode which has a heater inside, and then there is a control grid, just a spiral of wire, very, very fine in diameter. And on the outside of this structure fits an accelerating grid, a cylindrical wire screen. And concentric with this accelerating grid is a metal anode. Now I'll show you the function of these parts in a schematic drawing. I'll start with the cathode and a heater, which will operate on a 6-volt storage battery and boil electrons out of the cathode. The control grid then will determine the amount of current which passes through the control grid and into the region between control grid and accelerating grid. I can adjust the amount of acceleration given to the electrons by means of a variable voltage, and I will measure the voltage which is used for the acceleration to give the electrons energy as they come across the gap. I will then require that those electrons passing through grid 2 have an energy of at least 1 electron volt in order that they be counted in a current meter which is attached to the anode.